Hey beauties, and welcome back to IAmBeautifulHustlerTV. Today I'll be installing a straight wig from Wiggins Hair. Now they did drop off some little goodies into their box as far as a cap, elastic band, and everything like that. And of course the wig itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what the wig looks like fresh out of the box. Very cute, straight, very nice, soft texture, and everything like that. So I did go ahead, bleach the knots, and I did do some plucking on this wig. It was pre-plucked, but not really to my liking, so I just went in, and did some more plucking. And today I will be installing this lace wig on my Goddie today. And if you stay tuned toward my for the last video I have uploaded using my brand hair on my very light-skinned client, then you will know that this method that I'm using and what I'm using is not unfamiliar to you. I did go back in with that light ivory eyebrow concealer to match my brighter skin client, aka Goddie. So today I'll be installing this wig on her. And as you can see, I did kind of get a little bit of that makeup onto the hair, but it's fine because by the time I'm done, laying this wig down and everything like that, like, it will not even be there. So if you do get a little foundation onto the hair, honestly, it's fine. It will end up, coming off anyway from you combing and using product and everything like that. But I did not apply any foundation to her bald cap whatsoever because I wanted to get that, to get the most natural look as possible without the lace looking too dark. And that's just pretty much been my goal for my lighter skin clients, that the lace is not too dark for their skin. So I did not, like I said, apply any foundation onto the bald cap. I could have applied that porcelain on there, but I did not. I just wanted to see how the results would come out with me just using, that regular transparent lace and that porcelain, not the porcelain, but that light ivory concealer on the lace itself and then applying it. So I hope you guys, do enjoy this tutorial and, let me know what you guys think of the finishing look. Now for her today, we'll be doing a side part with baby hairs installation. And I did, as you can see, do the three, section method that I do when installing the wigs on myself. Just as always, I tell you guys that every video will not be the same. I like to do different methods just to see, just to show you different things, and maybe one of these methods can work best for you. I don't like to do everything exactly the same anyway, because I like to try out different methods for myself as well to see which one I like better and what gives me the better results. But once I did apply all my layers, I did pull that middle section down first because I always like to secure the middle of the lace wig and then work my way on the side. So once I did get that middle section tacked down, I did have her hold it, blow dry it, and then I cut off that extra lace. And then I did the same thing with this left side, well, technically it's the right side of her head here, by blow drying that lace, cutting off the extra lace and everything like that. And as you can see, I'm getting natural results already. And of course, everything you do to one side, you want to do it to the other. And now I'm just going in with that bold hold once again and just, tacking down all of the corners. And honestly, guys, using a rat tail comb or anything that's small that can get under those little creaks of where that lace is lifting is the best thing to do, because you can put as much glue as you need and spread it out nice and even, that way it can dry clear. And just using the end of my tail comb, pushing the lace from back to front, laying that lace down and securing everything that's lifting. And I also use the back end of the comb as well to push that lace right on down to get it melted in that glue, and as well as my fingertips. So I'm just going to use those same little steps on the end of the lace just to make sure everything is laid into that glue, everything is tacked down nice and neat. And of course, what you do to one side, you do want to repeat those steps to the other. And she did get her part on the side, but it's usually I do my parts on the other side of the person's head. But she actually wanted the part on the right side versus the part being on the left side, which most people do get it on the left side. So yeah, I would just, that's the only thing pretty much different about this video. It's just where the part will be as far as for the, you know, styling portion. But I do hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Thank you guys for tuning in and keep watching. So now that I am done taking down the lace, I'm just going to go in with my Apple G mousse and just apply that mousse all over the hairline. And I will tie it down with that Beautiful Hustler melt belt to get that lace, you know, nice melted and secured. And I love the natural effect that the mousse gives the hairline. So that's why I wanted to use the mousse today. And as I always mention, every technique is different. I do the things differently on each person depending on how I feel, which method I want to use. Like, as long as at the end of the day your installation is very nice, flawless, you know, natural, and, you know, secure, that's all that matters. So and I said that again because some people ask, why don't I do the same method in every video? Everybody's different. Everything, you know, different things work best for different people. So I'm just giving you guys a variety of ways to do things. And, you know, out of the 1,000,001 methods I showed you, just choose the one that you like the best, or do a combination of a few of them, you know, whatever gets the job done for you. But as you can see, I went ahead and tied down that lace, and I went ahead and removed that melt belt. And now I'm just combing out those hairs, and I'm going again, I'm going in with that bed head again, and just, you know, making sure that lace is secured, and just, you know, spreading across the hairline and blow drying it on in. But as I mentioned, she is getting a part, you know, her part on the right side. So, you know, I will go in and hot comb out the roots and press everything out with my wax stick and my hot comb. And I will be creating baby hairs today for this install. So you will see me do the baby hairs and everything for her as well. Now, this was a, you know, a straight wig and very easy to work with. The hair was already like very soft and everything, so it wasn't like I actually love the quality of Wiggins Hair. Like, I've worked with this company so many times before, and it's just like every time I'm always pleased with their hair. The quality, the fullness, you know, the lace, everything is just like always good with this company. So they are very consistent with their quality, which is a very great thing. So yeah, love this wig, love this company. And I'm just going to, you know, straighten everything out. And now I'm just pulling out the section to where my baby hairs are going to be. And I did pull out, you know, thin sections, and you do want to just cut that down really short to about 1 inch. I did not want to do like a no baby hair install because I've been doing those, you know, kind of frequent on my channel. So I just want to bring you back, you know, bring you guys back to the baby hair look. And I actually love the baby hairs with this install. To me, it made it like pop even more versus being like just natural on its own. Maybe I do like the natural look better with the center parts, but when it comes to like natural look with the side parts, I don't know. It's like I'm in between the two. Sometimes, depending on, I don't know, it just all depends. Sometimes I feel like baby hair should be done, and other times I feel like, nah, you don't really need any. But I did do baby hairs with this installation, and I am using that She Is Bomb all-in-one hair gel to swoop my baby hairs, and using my edge brush, of course, and just, you know, combing and smoothing everything down, creating those C's to get that like perfect baby hair look. And you know, just using my finger, using that comb to create those C's. And even when I get to the top baby hair, like where the part is, I like for the baby hair to fall the same direction the rest of the hair is falling, at like that front baby hair by the part. I used to swoop it the opposite way, but I just prefer to, you know, do it this way now. I don't know, I just like it so much better. But yeah, so I'm just going to swoop that thing right on in, and then I will add baby hairs across the whole hairline, so the other baby hairs will fall in the regular direction. Well, yeah, will fall in the direction of a regular C. The baby hairs on this side is like a backward C, but when it comes to doing it on the other side, it will be like that regular C swoop motion that you will go in. So yeah, stay tuned to this video and the finishing results, and let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Pretty much when I'm done with these baby hairs as well, I would just, like, black spray concealer part, flat iron the hair a little bit, for the finishing touch. But yeah, stay tuned, and like I said, let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. And thank you guys for tuning in to I Am Beautiful Hustler TV. Keep watching and stay tuned.